Hello, my name is David Hickson, and in this video I would like to introduce you to Hurst Signals. Hurst Signals is an online service that enables you very simply to trade profitably using the tried and tested cyclic principles of J.M. Hurst. Now, in the past, performing an analysis based on those cyclic principles was a fairly complex affair, and then reaching trading decisions on the basis of that analysis was an added complexity. Nowadays, it is really very simple thanks to Hurst Signals. All that you need is an internet connection and an email address. And the whole process starts with an email which you receive every day. In this video, I'm going to give you a lightning tour of how you would very simply place trades using Hurst Signals. Let's start with that email. Here is an email that I received last night. There is a list of all the instruments that I subscribe to, and these are the trading opportunities for those instruments for Friday, January the 10th, 2014. Let's scroll down through the email and we can take a look at one of those trading opportunities. For instance, here, the Euro to British Pound forex pair. The information that is presented to me includes a summary of the previous day's trading. And then I'm provided with information about interaction between price and the 20-day FLD. Now, if you don't know what that means, then don't worry, because your subscription to Hurst Signals comes with a completely free and very comprehensive online course in how to trade using the FLD Trading Strategy. All you need to know for now is that the FLD is a simple line which is drawn on a chart after a cyclic analysis has been performed on that chart. Price interacts in a very regular and understandable way with that line. There is in fact a sequence of 8 interactions that happens between price and that FLD line, and those interactions are very simply labeled A, B, C through to H. Now, in the information for the Euro to British Pound forex pair for today, you will see that the most recent interaction between price and the FLD is a category H, and therefore the next interaction is expected to be a category A. We are then provided with the FLD levels, which are simply the levels of that FLD line for the next bar, and finally, most importantly, the trading opportunity. Here you can see the trading opportunity is an A category long trade. We are provided with the entry price, a stop loss price, as well as 2 targets, T1 and T2, and something called underlying trend, which is in fact the combined effect of what other cycles are doing in that market. Again, don't worry if you don't understand what that means now. Our very comprehensive online course teaches you all about it. Having identified an interesting trading opportunity in the email, I would then move straight on to my Hurst Signals dashboard. Here is my dashboard, and each of the instruments that I subscribe to is listed here. Next to each instrument, there are 3 charts that are available to me. These charts are updated every day. Let's start off by taking a quick look at the overview chart for the Euro to British Pound forex pair. Here is that overview chart, and it presents the bigger picture, if you like, in terms of what is happening with the Euro to British Pound forex pair in cyclic terms. Now, again, if you don't understand what all those diamonds at the foot of the chart actually mean, then you needn't worry. Our online course will explain to you what these diamonds mean, what these semicircles mean, and you will very quickly learn to identify the typical M shape that cycles cause in any price movement. There you can see it over there. A quick look at this overview chart tells me that the Euro to British Pound forex pair is presently moving down into a trough of the 18-month cycle. Armed with that information, I can delve a little further into this trading opportunity by taking a look at the 3-month view for the Euro to British Pound forex pair. Again, the cyclic analysis is presented at the foot of the chart, and the interactions between price and the FLD are clearly labeled on the chart. Now, remember earlier I mentioned that the FLD is simply a line that is drawn on the chart. Well, this purple line is that FLD, and what we are doing is we are trading the very regular way in which price interacts with that line. This is a process called the FLD Trading Strategy, and I would encourage you to take a look at the results of trading using the FLD Trading Strategy, which we have published on our website, sentienttrader.com. On this chart, we can see the information that was presented to us in the email. There is our most recent interaction between price and the FLD, a category H interaction, and the next interaction is expected to be an A category interaction as price bounces out of the 80-day trough and rises upwards. We can then take a look at the 6-week view. Here we can see what the market has been doing over the past 6 weeks, and we can confirm that we are interested in taking advantage of this trading opportunity. Now, we know the entry price, we know the stop loss price, we know the target prices for our trade. The only thing we don't know is how much we should trade. We simply go back to the Hurst Signals dashboard, click on the size calculator button over here, and we fill in all the relevant details for the trade that we are considering in the position size calculator. Having filled in all the details that are visible on the charts that we've just looked at, and which are of course also emailed to us, we simply click on the calculate position size button, and our position size is calculated for this trade. All that remains is to go to a trading platform. You can use any trading platform that you like, and you simply enter the trades. We take 3 trades for each trading opportunity, and that process is covered in detail in the course, which you have access to when you subscribe to Hurst Signals. And there we go. In only a few minutes, I have completed the entire process from identifying a trading opportunity to actually entering the trading instructions into my trading platform. Tonight, I will receive my next Hurst Signals email, which will update the trading opportunities that are available to me. And that is how simple it is to use Hurst Signals to make consistently profitable trades on the basis of the tried and tested cyclic principles of J.M. Hurst.